Good afternoon, Warriors. Let's take a look at our homework for this evening on Tuesday, the 28th of January. A couple of reminders looking here at the top. Our homework that is due each day. This is homework for our afternoon classes that should be completed at home each night. Our homework that is due tomorrow, this is our Warrior time needs to be used for completing homework assigned in the morning classes. All right, in math, we got a couple of things. Our units retake is Friday across the board. In MobyMax, we're taking our placement test again, and you must complete that which is assigned to you. Please take your time on it. All right, for our Chapter 6 test in regular math, we will finish that tomorrow. And in honors math, we got practice 7.1. In science, we need to review for our units of life quiz, which is tomorrow. Science fair is this evening, right after school until 4:30. Make sure you have a ride home. In social studies, there is no homework. In language arts, we've got the Watsons Go to Birmingham. Journal number 5 is homework. Journal number 6, it's an extra credit assignment for 2 points. You do not have to do it if you do not want to. And in literature, we've got chapter 4 questions will be due if you did not get those completed in class. And our vocabulary work is due this Friday. Please do not do the sentences. Also, if you're with Mrs. Music in FCS 6, you need to finish ways to say no worksheet. That's it for this Tuesday. Everyone have a great evening.